We're going to do now, we're going to do about a 5-minute speaking activity, and then we'll finish for the day. And I just wanted, if you could look on the board, I've got this problem sometimes, is that I forget, I've got this illness that when I write, I forget my vowels, and I need you to, I know, it's terrible, and you've got to help me with this. So just have a look at this. Oh, I got better for a second. I really do have problems. Yeah, it's terrible. I don't know what to... I've been to the vowel doctor. I get a vitamin, a vowel supplement. The weather in England. Sorry, this is a word which has no consonants at all. In a country. The weather in a country has a great effect on its people and its culture. Fantastic. The weather of a country has a great effect on its people and its culture. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is just 5 minutes. Could you brainstorm some ideas, some examples of how the weather changes or has an effect on the weather of maybe your country has an effect on the people who come from your country, and also the culture. And if you compare weather and culture, you might find some similarities or differences. So 5 minutes, please, in your groups.
Usually winter time we are staying more than summertime.
The weather doing affect to Chinese people a lot, because I'm in a city which we eat a lot of hot food because the weather is so sticky and humid. So if we eat hot food, then we can just
sweat
a lot. Not
Do you find it different from London?
For what?
From London?
Yeah, a lot. Because here, even if it's summertime, they are not eating cold one. Just chips.
I mean, the weather here is just cool, and it's not like weather somewhere else.
How about Spain?
Well, Spain is hot, isn't it?
Hot, it depends. In my city, winter is very cold and summer is very hot. And it changes, the way we live, it changes a lot, because in summer people is in the street until very late, 2 a.m. And in winter...
And the siesta.
Yes, and in winter there is no siesta. In summer, almost everybody has.
It's really good.